alternate ammunition. Forgot.
How is it that we are 3,000 miles from our house, but yet we're still watching Conference? It smells like Conference, just with a simple onion being cut up. Thanks, Toots.
How does onion smell, or how does onion make everything taste so good? It is not a soup without an onion. It is not like a fruit salsa without an onion. Like onion. How is it so good?
Any like significant holiday event, whatever, starts with an onion because that's the base. So Conference weekend is starting. Of course, we've got onions.
I need to go get some more bread, and they're like, let's use the buns. That's what Five Guys does. Because we have leftover buns from the other day. I mean, that looks good.
Yeah, all you need to do is wrap it in foil, let it sit for about 5 minutes, put some fries with it.
Mashed up some garlic, stuck it in so they had some garlic powder.
I mean, the smell in this RV is unreal. It smells so good.
I think the kids were craving just like a home good meal, you know?
Yeah.
Instead of fish. Yeah, not want fish. I'll tell you, I don't want to eat this. I want fish.
Oh, I want this.
No, this is
I'm ready for some Five Guys. There
I'm not.
are
I'm
lacking.
ready to stay here forever and eat fish every day.
No, that is the one thing lacking here in the Keys, or at least where we're at, is like a good, solid burger place.
Yeah, they have like a McDonald's, but it's not even a good McDonald's.
Now that it's
Fast food's no good here, so you just go to restaurants or you cook your own. But I'm craving like a good burger. Look at those grilled cheese.
we're waiting for our meal. I want to show you where we're at. Well, sorry, not our meal, for our seats. We've heard really good things about the Square Grouper, so this is where we're gonna eat dinner. The fries look delicious.
I got them so you could have some too.
Go, you gotta move. Go, you gotta move. Jeez, you're gonna break it. Okay, it's Boston's turn. The edges aren't built up enough, you think? Lincoln, hand it to Cody. Okay, Link, no more turns. Move. If you're not gonna listen, no more turns. It wasn't your turn. Insane. They're so good.
It's like you know, soccer for everyone else, baseball is theirs.
Wow. I missed Joel's homer. Nice.
Wait.
he saying it in Spanish? Let's see what you got, Danger. Nice. Let's see. Oh! Okay, boss.
Bossy, look, they're not going to be great, so just take what you got. Lean into it.
Just, yeah, just swing at it. Boss, just go ahead and swing. Nice! Good job! Good try, Cone!
It's so slippery.
Oh! Oh! Good job! That was so good! Oh! Oh! Shoot! He's so bummed.
And then you, and then him, you, and then me. What is this?
Linky! Hey,
Because I pointed that way.
when the ball hit your face, what did it do?
Like,
Oh, oh, are you okay?
yeah, I got a little
Oh, well, a little what?
wiggly tooth.
You do not.
Slow down, mama, why you talk so mean? Good Lord, Nashville, it ain't what it seems. Got nice clothes, late night shows, boogie down at the bar. Fiddle tunes and homemade booze, but it always goes too far. Shooting pool, crack a jack, take off now and don't look back, but hey, don't you wanna play? Hold on, sugar, why you look so sad? Come on now, mama, ain't nothing here so bad. Got fast cars, movie stars, party on down the street. With Mary Jane, good cocaine, laying down there again. Double down, throw some dice, take off now, don't think twice, but hey, don't you
Here's what it
want
looks like
to
with the couch gone. It's going to be nice because we will be able to stack all of our bikes in here. Olivia, sorry, you're just gonna have to sleep on the couch out here now until we can put a different type of bed in. But this is our last meal that we're making here. Oh no, tomorrow! We're making tomorrow. Tomorrow's our last day. But we're getting a, we're kind of cleaning out the fridge, and anytime we clean out the fridge, I always have leftover veggies. So I always do eggs. I don't know if you kids are like sick of that or not, but I enjoy doing it. We probably do this once a week for sure. That's not too often.
No, it's really good.
Once a week or once every 2 weeks. It's usually realistically every 2 weeks. Do you want to open this for me? Got some green chilies. If you'll just open that. I think I'm going to really miss this walk.
Oh, waking up to this place and going to bed to this.
Here, hold this. Ew, bugs. Sorry, here, hold this.
Hold.
I'm getting eaten by bugs, and I had to. It was like a painful little bite.
No see 'em. Not gonna miss those little guys.
No, I'm not gonna miss the no-see-ums or the mosquitoes. The mosquitoes are starting to come out.
Yeah, but this is.
This right here. And it's kind of a super muggy, like, look how gorgeous that looks with all the lights.
Oh yeah.
Oh my word, I gotta stop and take a picture. One thing we didn't do enough of was come over here and eat under these lights. So one of the nights when you were gone, you went to Miami with
That was
the kids.
the first weekend.
Was it?
That was the first weekend we got here.
Yeah, the first weekend. Oh, see, there's a bug right here. We get it. Woo! Okay, we're going back in. But we ate out here underneath these little patio lights, and that was really fun. And I mostly am just doing this because I want to just film it one more time because I just really like it. I'm going to miss our karaoke nights. We got to book it back so we don't get eaten by bugs. You're going to miss fishing?
Oh, I'm going to miss fishing. The kids have really just done their own thing. I feel like they learned how to be fishermen. I mean, I learned how to be a fisherman here.
Well, and people that own boats would come in here, and so they would come in and they would fillet right here on the dock, and they would give our kids would like flock to them. They're like, "What'd you catch? What did you do?" And then they would learn how to fillet fish by watching them, and then they would give us their carcasses. That's what the kids would fish with, and then a lot of times they would have extra bait.
Oh, all the time extra bait.
So they would give the kids their bait.
Well, they're going to go back to Utah lakes, and they're going to be like, "You're supposed to give me your extras."
Why doesn't it look like we're fishing out of an aquarium?
Why are all these fish brown?
Where are all the fish? But yeah, the kids, they'd fish super late at night. They'd fish super early. I mean, that's what they just did all day long. And they were so happy doing it.
They learned so much.